What is spermatogenesis? But first, what is semen? Ang semen is a thick, sticky whitish-gray fluid of the male reproductive system. It typically contains sperm, but it also has components that help nourish sperm and fluids that make it easier to deposit sperm toward the back of the vagina and fertilize an egg. So ang functions ng semen is to help transport sperm out of your body and into female reproductive system to help fertilize an egg and start the fetal development process. So ang semen galing kids penis and usually after orgasm or ejaculation. But semen can release without experiencing an orgasm, or what you call anorgasmia or ejaculatory anhedonia. So now, spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a process of developing male gametes, known as sperm within the male reproductive organs, the testes. So sa process na each sperm, haploid containing a single copy of each chromosome. In order to create the haploid gamete, a cell undergoes the process of meiosis, in which the genome is replicated and divided twice to produce 4 haploid gametes. So ang purpose ng process ng spermatogenesis occur to create mature male gametes, which then fertilize female gametes to create a zygote. Ang zygote is a single-celled organism. This results in cell division and multiplication to create a fetus. So, para sa healthy offspring, the number of chromosomes must be maintained properly across the body, as failure can lead to some abnormalities. So, may ara kami the video, guys. So, let's watch a video to further understand the process of spermatogenesis.
The sperm are produced and are ready to go. But how? These are single isolated cells and they have to be delivered into a foreign body. So, the accessory sex glands contribute secretions that provide support for continuing viability of the sperm inside the female reproductive tract. These secretions constitute the bulk of the semen, which is a mixture of secretions of the accessory sex glands, sperm, and mucus. The sperm make up only a small percentage of the total semen. The process of releasing the semen outside the male body is called ejaculation. An average male ejaculation contains about 180 million sperm, but some ejaculates contain as many as 400 million sperm. On sexual activity, ejaculation or release of sperm is triggered. The vas deferens contracts and the sperm rush through the vas deferens, where both seminal vesicles empty out their secretions. The seminal vesicles, 1. Supply fructose, which serves as the primary energy source for the ejaculated sperm. 2. Secrete prostaglandins, which not only react with the female cervical mucus to make it easier for the sperm to swim into the uterus, but also induce smooth muscle contractions in both male and female tracts, thereby helping to propel the sperm towards the ovum. 3. It provides the bulk of the semen, which helps wash the sperm into the urethra and also dilutes the thick mass of the sperm, enabling them to become motile. And finally, secrete fibrinogen. Whoa, fibrinogen. Isn't that something to do with clotting? Isn't it the precursor of fibrin which helps blood clot? Yes, it's the same thing. Why is it required in semen? Hold on, I'll explain. Now, let's move on to the next accessory gland, the prostate. What does the prostate gland do? It secretes alkaline fluid that neutralizes the acidic vaginal secretions. This is very, very important as sperm are more viable in an alkaline environment, and 2. Provides clotting enzymes. These enzymes act on fibrinogen produced by the seminal vesicles to produce fibrin, which clots the semen, thus helping keep the semen or ejaculated sperm in the female reproductive tract during withdrawal of the penis. Shortly thereafter, the seminal clot is broken down by fibrinolysin, a fibrin degrading enzyme from the prostate, thus releasing motile sperm within the female tract. Finally, during sexual arousal, the bulbourethral glands secrete a mucus-like substance that provides lubrication for coitus.
So now we're gonna tackle about the sequence of sperm movement. So first, silence testes, next epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, urethra, and last sa penis. So sa testes, diri gasugod ang tanan. The testes are the primary male reproductive organ responsible for sperm production or spermatogenesis and also the production of testosterone. Next is epididymis. Isipin nyo na lang nga amo ni ang sperms finishing school and temporary storage unit. So diri ang sperm ga-undergo sa maturation, gaining the ability to move and fertilize an egg. They are also stored in the epididymis as the mag-ejaculate or ejaculation. Next is vas deferens. Amo ni ang long muscular tube nag-act as a sperm transport highway. So during ejaculation, the smooth muscle in the walls of vas deferens contract, propelling the matured sperm toward the urethra. Next is seminal vesicles. These glands contribute significantly to the fluid that carries the sperm, known as semen. The seminal fluid addition from these vesicles is rich in fructose. Ang fructose is a sugar na provide energy sa sperm. Prostaglandins, which help with uterine contraction, and other substances that help enhance sperm motility and viability. Next is prostate gland. This gland, located sa dalom sang bladder, also add its secretion to the semen. Then, additional seminal fluid addition from the prostate is a milky, alkaline fluid that contains ang enzymes and nutrients that further support sperm function and help neutralize sang acidic environment sang female reproductive tract. Next is urethra. Amo na ang final common passageway. So the passageway for semen and also sang aton nga ihi or urine leads out of the body through the penis. During ejaculation, the semen travels through the urethra. Last is ang penis. This is the external male reproductive organ responsible for ejaculation. The explosion of semen contains some sperm out of the body and into the female reproductive tract during sexual intercourse. So, in conclusion, the male reproductive system is a complex and vital network of organs responsible for several key functions including reproduction, storage, and transportation sang sperm, as well as the production sang hormones like testosterone. So we've explored the system's components, both internal and external. From the penis and scrotum to the intricate workings of the vas deferens, seminal vesicles, and prostate glands. We've also delved into the crucial process of spermatogenesis, ang creation sang sperm, and sa composition and the journey sang semen. A functional male reproductive system is essential for sexual reproduction and overall male health. Understanding its anatomy, physiology, and hormonal regulation is crucial for appreciating human biology.